I'm sharing with you one of my favorite gelato tips I've shared with our many customers over the years: how to serve gelato at the perfect temperature. Gelato is so delicious and creamy, and part of that is because it is served at a warmer temperature than American ice cream. The freezers in our home are 0 degrees Fahrenheit or less. Mine is actually -3 degrees. Gelato is served anywhere between 6 and 9 degrees Fahrenheit, which is why, after making gelato at home, if you do not eat it the same day, the next morning it's going to be harder to scoop. The best and easiest way to serve gelato is to place it in your refrigerator at home 30 to 40 minutes prior to serving. 30 minutes for 1 quart of gelato or less, 40 minutes for 1.5 to 2 quarts of gelato. Don't forget it. Set a timer if you need to. If you melt the homemade gelato, it's less forgiving than commercial gelato and it's going to get icy when refreezing. But if you follow these steps and take the gelato out of your refrigerator in 30 minutes, the results are perfect every time. Easy to scoop, perfect texture and consistency, and the correct temperature. The next time you have gelato in your freezer, simply pop it in the refrigerator for a half hour prior to serving and enjoy the delicious results.